Welcome to this video on web server architecture, from fundamentals to vulnerabilities. We will provide an in-depth look at concepts, components, and attack vectors. What is a web server? It is a computer system that stores, processes, and delivers web pages to clients using the HTTP protocol. The client initiates communication by sending an HTTP request. In response, the web server retrieves the requested content and sends an HTTP response. The anatomy of a web server includes a fundamental file structure. The server root is the top-level directory containing configuration files, logs, and server executables. The document root is the public directory with HTML and images accessible to users. Functionality can be expanded through virtual document trees and virtual hosting. Web proxies act as intermediaries between the client and the web server, enhancing security, caching, and anonymity. Web servers are prime targets because they are accessible worldwide. The main causes of compromise include incorrect configurations, software bugs, default settings, and improper permissions. A web server is considered Stack 5 in the 7 levels of organizational security. The consequences of successful attacks include compromising user accounts, data theft, website defacement, reputational damage, and the server being used as a staging ground for further attacks on other systems. Next, we will review the architecture and typical vulnerabilities of 3 leading web servers: Apache, IIS, and Nginx. Each has unique characteristics and security approaches. Apache is an open-source HTTP server known for its flexibility and reliability. Its architecture is based on a core that handles basic HTTP requests and a set of modules that extend its functionality. Typical Apache vulnerabilities include HTTP/2DOS, leading to memory exhaustion, and HTTP response splitting, which can cause XSS or cache poisoning. There are also buffer overflow read issues in modules like mod_macro. Internet Information Services, or IIS, is deeply integrated with Windows. Its architecture is split into kernel mode and user mode. HTTP.sys in kernel mode handles all HTTP requests for high performance. Common IIS vulnerabilities include authentication bypass errors, privilege escalation from improper request handling, and arbitrary file access due to incorrect path restrictions. Nginx is known for its high productivity and efficiency, especially when processing many simultaneous connections. Its architecture uses an asynchronous, event-driven model with a master process managing multiple single-threaded worker processes. Typical Nginx vulnerabilities range from server-side request forgery, or SSRF, which can force the server to make requests to internal resources, to OS command injection and improper certificate validation, potentially leading to man-in-the-middle attacks. Key protection principles include minimizing the attack surface by removing unnecessary files and services, adhering to the principle of least privilege, and maintaining constant vigilance through regular updates, patching, and log monitoring. Compromising a web server is not a matter of if, but when. Proactive auditing, regular updates, and adhering to security principles are the only reliable way to protect your organization's digital core.